All right, guys, how you doing? So I haven't done an update in a while because there has been nothing to update you. Yesterday I mowed the lawn. I still have to trim some stuff, and the backyard hasn't been mowed, and we're on the verge of a hurricane. Not really. I mean, we are, but it's a hurricane one, and it's going to be partly offshore. It really is just going to be like a tropical storm. Deal. But anyway, I wanted to get the lawn mowed before that. So after I mowed the lawn, it was pretty dark. So I decided to do some of this, and it was too dark to film. So I trimmed. I got the electric head trimmers out. Yes, I used electric trimmers. I didn't cut my fingers. Anyway, and I trimmed up some of these bushes, and they're looking a little better. And I did it kind of blindly because it was dark. And I'm like, I'm going to be sorry in the morning, but it wasn't. Anyway, so, and I wasn't doing that at first because I'm like, that's ridiculous to try to trim the bushes and then have all this mess down the bottom. But you know what? Now I can see the forest through the trees. So, that kind of thing. So I'm going to put you on the tripod. It is 7:40 in the morning. And I washed down the front porch, but not too much because with the storm coming, it's probably going to be a mess. So I just kind of rinsed it off. It was a mess. I need to do a front porch clean too. Yes, squirrel. I do it periodically. Usually every season. I do it summer, spring, winter, and fall. I clean the front porch. Didn't do it in the spring. Didn't do it this summer. It's almost the end of summer already. So I'm going to put you on the tripod and get to work. Yeah, I'm gonna get to work. I did find my weeding chair, so I might do that. So here we go. I'm just going to concentrate on this little section right here, for the most part. I'm not going to try to get it perfect before moving on to the next section. Hubby came out here and gave his advice. You know, I'm like, you know what? You do what you want. Do it how I want. Anyway, he's like, you should do the bulk of it first, then go back and fine tweak it. Yeah, it's not how I do things. I just want to, I'm not going to try to do it perfect. I still need to weed right here. And all this needs new mulch and possibly lay down cardboard. I don't know if I want to do that. Anyway, I'm going to take a little break. This worked out wonderfully. Work smarter, not harder. So this is my painting mat. When I'm painting, it's actually an old mattress cover. It's like really thick. It's, I don't know, whatever. Anyway, it was like a mattress topper more. Yeah. Anyway, for our queen bed that we had eons ago. Anyway, I used it for painting, and I'm like, you know what? The sitting on the little stool thingy, that wasn't working. I still have to bend over. And, you know, y'all, the weeds are coming up really easily and stuff like that, but so it's not that hard. It's just a lot of bending. And, you know, this girl don't bend well. So it's not like hard work. It's just getting up and down off the ground, and bending is, yeah, the hard part. But pulling the weeds is not hard. I'm gonna take a little break, drink some water. I don't know. I might wash myself down with the hose just to stay cool because it's getting warmer. Did I say it was like, I think it's 82 already. Yeah, and it's probably at least 8 o'clock by now. Yeah. So, some of you had said, why don't you put some weed killer in there? And, not this time, but in the past, people have suggested using preen. It's like to prevent weeds. Yeah, that doesn't work in Florida. super moisture here. Just, I don't know what to say. Yeah. I actually just said just put concrete in, but I don't want to do that. I want some kind of nice landscaping. So actually, hubby and I were discussing that. And over there, you know how I wanted to put a patio? Well, that might happen because I think we decided on the pool not to have a spa, which was quite a bit of money. So the money that we saved from the spa, we can put a patio out here. He won't use the spa. I don't know, do I really need it? Still contemplating. And by the way, that's going to be January until they can slot us in. So it's still in the works. So the whole time I'm out here, that tree right there, I hear this buzzing noise the whole entire time I'm out here. I think there's a nest of bees in there. Wonderful. So there's that. All right. I'll take a little break, rinse off with the hose, maybe wet myself down, and then do some more. Probably not too much more. Probably just that section. Maybe a little bit of the pathway, which is annoying me. That has never been a problem. The pathway has never been a problem, and all of a sudden it's a problem. I want to take out that bush and the other ones. I don't know, maybe at least convince hubby to take out that one. It's impeding our view here. Yeah, I don't know. He has a hard time getting rid of things, even plants. What can I say? So the plan is to finish this section this weekend. So hubby said he was going to help, but he's going to wait till it rains and come out in there in the rain, which is probably a smart idea. I'm hot right now, so I never did drench myself with a hose. I probably should have, but next time. And I'm going to come out here earlier. And I've been trying to come out here in the evening, but then it's been raining, which is fine. I can weed in the rain, but it's been really bad thundering and lightning, so can't do that. And the other problem with not getting out here to do this since the last video, this is the first time, is Saturday, August 1st. Did I say that? Is I have not been waking up early enough. So, and lately, just the last week or so, I've been waking up at like 5 or 6 o'clock. So, time to come out here and do that early, instead of sitting on the couch drinking my coffee. Callie, you want to say hi? Callie, turn on here. See, I have screens from my office window. Been sitting there for months. Anyway, so I just have a little bit more to do, and then I think I'm done. I've been out here for about an hour. Laying overhead. Yeah, and I'm gonna clean up. Actually, probably just leave this stuff on the porch instead of having to take it out. Anyway, and come out here an hour a day in the morning. Probably maybe if I come out here at 7 to 8, that would be better. I'm drenched in sweat already. And I will be rinsing off with the hose because I'm not going in. I am filthy, dirty. Yes, I'm filthy. That's how I do it. It actually looks worse on camera, but anyway, there's still a few weeds and stuff, but I'm not going to worry about it. I'll show you the rest of this mess, and then all that needs to be trimmed. Look at this. This is all the boxwood roots growing up. Ugh. Anyway, that's one that came back. That was looking ill, but I had told hubby I want to move that. That's not a good spot for that. Yeah, it's covering up my nice brick, and there's a bunch of stuff I want to do. I want to get some of that Thomason seal stuff. See how light it is when you put that stuff on it? I should show you where the brick is wet. And I kind of want it to look like that. I don't like it that light. And I need to pressure wash all these stones. Everything gets very mildewy here in Florida. I need this not too bad, but I need the sidewalk and the driveway pressure washed. I am going to hire somebody to do that. So there's that. So, let's see. See, you can see the brick over there. Of course, that's a little mildewy. How it looks when it's wet, kind of like the way that looks. It has some green mold on it. That needs pressure washed. The whole house needs pressure washed. Yeah. See, look, not very many weeds grew up in there. Mostly over there. The reason that's like that is because it's the roots from the boxwood. I guess those are boxwoods. One of y'all said these were boxwood. They're supposed to be little bushes, right? Anyway, so, right, that's it. It is bright and sunny and hot, and I'm going inside. And, yeah, maybe I'll show you a few flowers or something around the yard on the outtakes. So, I gotta go make sure I have enough hurricane supplies. I'm pretty sure I do. I might need some water. Bottled water, because hubby was asking for it. But we have other water we could put in a cup. Yeah, you could do that. You don't need a bottle. Anyway, I'm going to go and enjoy the rest of my Saturday and do some things, yada, yada, yada. Yeah, and I'm going to show you some. Hey, y'all, actually, hubby and I are going to go for a go-kart ride. So if you want to watch that, stay tuned. Today is August 1st. It's the start of the Healthy Habits Challenge. So, if you don't know what I'm talking about, go to my channel and check out that video if you want to join the challenge. I'm going to get some lemons and limes and make myself some ice water. I did have my coffee this morning. My rule was to have a thing of water before I had coffee. Didn't do that. But on my ride, I'm going to drink some lemon and lime water. I'll put some ice in here and some water and some lemons and limes. That's good for inflammation. And yeah, then we're going to go for a ride.